Hi bunnies, welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Here we go again. Try my luck at this hand.
Hi bunnies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have a little bit of a product review. You know I love to do these. So this is for color trash bags. They're 4 gallons, and to be honest, they're quite perfect because I love the colors of the rainbow. They happen to be scented, and also I normally don't put a trash bag on these little trash cans in my bathroom, and then every single time I empty the trash, I'm like, why didn't I just put a little trash bag on there? Okay, we have purple, blue, this makes me so happy, pink, teal, and yellow. Excellent. These are not a toy. And here's our end result.